Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss the Java program in BlueJ environment, means how to write Java programs in BlueJ environment, how compile it and how to run the program. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss an important feature of object-oriented programming through BlueJ environment. Okay, here I am using BlueJ version 4.1.4 and the feature is encapsulation. What is that? Encapsulation is the technique of binding both data and function together to keep them safe from unauthorized access and misuse. Okay, so how to write the code for binding both data and function together within a class I will discuss today. Okay, so friends, this is the BlueJ IDE and I'm already within the project test. Okay, so I will create a new class. So just select new class button and just write a class name. Suppose write A, means the class name is A, where we are just binding both data and function together. Okay, and press OK. So this is the class file. So just right click on that and just open editor. Same way, whatever written by default, just delete it and just write the code. So just define class A, brace open, and just we are defining the data. First write int A and next line int B. Now this A and B both are data. Okay, and now we are defining two functions. But should remember, in object-oriented programming, when we are defining a function within a class, this is called method. So we are defining two methods here. So one method void set data, and within braces we are just initialize the value A and B. So A equal to 10 and B equal to suppose 20, and just end the method void set data. Now we define the another method void display. Within that method we just print the value A and B. So just write system.out.println and within parentheses just write within double quote A equal double quote close plus A plus double quote again open comma B equal double quote close plus B, means we are just concatenate the value and the string A and B. Okay, now just close this method display and after we just close the class A. So now we are defining A and B here. This is the data, and the void set data and void display, these two are the method. So within the class we are just binding both data and function together, and within the class we are just defining, and this feature is known as encapsulation. Why we are do that? Because to keep them safe from unauthorized access and misuse. Okay, should remember here this A and B, these two data or these two variables are known as instance variable. Why? Because these variables are created when the object are created. Okay, means if the objects are not created, then these variables are not created. Okay, so that's why their name is instance variable, because we know object is created means we are instantiate of the class, right? So just close this editor, and after what we should right click, means we should compile that particular file. So right click on that and just press compile. So compiling and done, means there is no syntactical error. Okay, now we should create the object of the class A. So right click on that and just choose new A and just put a name of the instance. By default is A1. Suppose we put the name of the object is suppose EA. Okay, and press OK. So just see the object is created. Now we should call the method one by one. So just right click on that. At first we call void set data. When we call that, it doesn't show anything. Why? Because within that method we just set the value of A and B. A is 10 and B is 20 respectively. Okay, and now we display the value. So just right click on that and call the method void display. So just see, within the console is just print whatever the value I set within the method set data, the value A for 10 and the B for 20, and it just print within the console. So this is the example of encapsulation where we write our code within the class where the data and the function tied together, okay, and where the data whatever defining within the class and outside of the method is known as the instance variable, because these variables are created when the object are created, okay, and the methods are just defined within the class. So data and function both are binding together within the class, and I'm already told the function and method are the same, but within the object oriented programming is concerned, when we define any function within the class, this is called a method. Okay, I hope you have understood today's problem. For more problem, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Okay,
I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye-bye.